Good morning, Internet. This is Joe from Joe Biker 25, and I'm super excited today to test the new DJI Mic Mini that was just released a couple of days ago. And I want to see how it works for a motovlogging mic as opposed to the DJI Mic 2 that I've been using for a while now. Let's go check it out. This is my Shoei Neotec helmet that I wear every day. This is the Shoei Neotec 3. I'm using the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro camera, also new, about a couple of months old, amazing stuff. And I'm connecting it to my helmet using the Motorad's mount. Do not use the chin mount brand chin mount, as that failed twice for me, including on a trip to Alaska. So do not recommend. The Motorad's mount has been pretty solid so far. So I use the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro exclusively now for all my motovlogs. Let's see how the mic fits. So I've been using this bad boy, the DJI Mic 2, and it fits inside my helmet on kind of tight fit. I have a couple of magnetic strips in there that allows it to sit there pretty securely. The challenge is that the Neotec 3 helmet is a street helmet, so that does not have a ton of room like an adventure helmet would. But check this out. This just came out 2 days ago. It is the DJI Mic Mini. So let's see how this works inside the helmet. That's a much smaller profile, and that is actually looking pretty amazing. So I'm going to test it out in a couple of scenarios with some changes in the mic gain, as well as there are two different noise canceling levels with the new DJI Mic Mini. I'm going to try both of them, see which one I prefer, so that there's minimum post-processing for audio, and we can use footage and audio straight out of the camera. So let's go ride. Okay, time to head out. It is a little warmer than it was last week, so I'm going to switch to my summer gloves. Hope that's not a poor decision on my behalf, but let's see. All right, let's go. Testing the new DJI Mic Mini connected to the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro camera. So, I have mic gain set to -6 decibels and noise cancelling set to high. The Mic Mini again has two levels of noise cancellation, high and low. Let's try out high. I'm doing about 70 miles an hour. How does this sound? This is again the very first motovlog test with the DJI Mic Mini. Beautiful day. It's just got to 70 degrees. I hope my bike's not lying. It feels a little nippy. This is the DJI Mic Mini, set again to -6 decibel net gain, but now I've lowered the noise cancelling to the low setting. I'm going to pick up the pace a little bit on these beautiful twisty roads of Central California. This is now gain set at -12 on the DJI Mic Mini with noise cancelling still on low. So how does this sound? I'm doing about 70, 75. It's kind of windy here. It's open country, so there isn't a whole lot to break the wind. Again, this is the first motovlog test of the brand new DJI Mic Mini that just came out a couple of days ago. Super excited to see how well this works because of its small form factor that fits very comfortably inside the helmet without getting in the way of my face. Okay, this is the final combination. The DJI Mic Mini is set to -12 decibels. Noise cancellation set to high. And the DJI Mic Mini also has its wind muff or dead cat attached. So this is as noise cancelling as you can get right out of the camera. Beautiful twisty roads here in Central California. Love, love, love riding here. So tell me how it sounds. What's your favorite of the four? -6 with high noise cancelling, -6 with low noise cancelling, -12 with high noise cancelling, and -12 with low noise cancelling. So these are the four probably most common combinations one would try, things I would try. So let me know in your comments what you prefer. I'm really happy with the DJI ecosystem of audio and video products that all work really well together. Mics work great with the action cameras, the Pocket 3. So that's what we want as content creators, to have equipment that's high quality and that works seamlessly with each other. So thank you, DJI. By the way, none of the products that I'm speaking of, including the DJI product, are sponsored. I bought every single one of them with my own money, at full retail price. So opinions are mine and mine only. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That motivates me to make more content for motorcyclists, travelers, and have a wonderful day.